Home remedies for blackheads. Blackheads can be minimized and even eliminated with the use of the right ingredients. Here are some natural ways and home remedies for getting rid of those pesky blackheads. 1. Baking soda. Baking soda is a natural exfoliator. Create a paste using baking soda and water and apply it to the blackhead affected area. Use your fingers to gently scrub the skin for a few minutes and then wash off with water. This should be done twice a week. 2. Clay. The oil-absorbing properties of clay make it ideal for clearing extra grease from the skin along with other impurities. Masks made from fuller's earth and kaolin clay, when used regularly on the face, can help clear out the pores. This will eventually get rid of blackheads and make the skin smooth. 3. Steaming. Subjecting your face to steam is an effective way to soften the stubborn blackheads and then eventually clear them away. Steaming the face makes the skin sweat, which in turn helps to clear out toxins from within. It also softens the pores, making the stubborn blackheads easier to work upon and remove. 4. Lemon, salt, and honey. The astringent quality of lemon will cut grease while the fine granules of salt will act as a non-abrasive scrub for your skin. Honey will leave your skin moisturized and help keep the germs away. Make a paste with these 3 ingredients and apply to the blackheads. After 5 minutes, gently scrub in circular motions for a minute and let it stay for another 5 minutes. Wash away with warm water. Do this thrice a week. 5. Egg white mask. Known for their skin tightening abilities, egg whites make an effective ingredient for blackhead removal. When applied directly on the skin or as a mask, egg whites shrink the pores, hence forcing blackheads out. Being rich in nutrients, egg whites also improve skin texture and remove extra oil from the skin. 6. Tomato. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and A and have skin brightening, oil absorbing, and pore shrinking properties. This is especially good for people with oily skin, as tomato pulp effectively clears out the extra grease without being harsh. Cut a few round slices from a tomato. Rub a slice on your skin, focusing on the blackhead infested areas. Alternatively, you can apply tomato pulp on your skin and wash it off with water once it dries. For the best natural remedies, get our lost book of remedy from the link in our description below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health videos.